I'm Ompa Joma.
I'm Rosiker Erwin.
I'm Labrador Marty.
And I'm Marlon Ryan Maglasang.
We are here to perform
Our investigatory project entitled The Science of
Before
Thermodynamics.
anything else, let us prepare all the materials needed in this project. First to it is the platform.
The second is the tissue paper,
The third is the water.
basin with water,
Pakita ka?
Then the candle,
Then the
the match. Then the glasses
glass.
glasses, while the two glasses
filled with
filled with 1/4 of water.
yeah. To start
That's
with, let us prepare the platform. Then
Let us place the platform properly in the
in the center.
Next is the tissue paper. Before that, let us moist first the tissue paper so that it will be effective.
Stick.
So we moist it with the water. So let's
Yeah.
moist it. Next, after moisting, let us place this tissue paper
At the
at
center,
the center of the platform.
Yeah.
Okay.
There is
Nice
it.
one.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Then
Next
afterwards, let's have the candle. Let's light it up.
Light it up.
Put it at the center of the
And
tissue.
light it.
Yeah. Then
Pinasika.
Ay, kabir.
Ay, kabilo eh. Abi ko may ako eh.
oh, see.
Jack Fountain Dog. Okay, cut lang.
Then,
Sige.
So that's it.
That's it.
So after that, let us cover it with this empty glass. So
Then,
while waiting for the candle to while waiting the heat of the candle to
off.
to rise
Alright.
to rise up. Redundancy na.
Wait,
So now let's wait for a couple of seconds. Let us try if it is it will if the platform will lift up by using this
Glass.
by the size of thermodynamics inside of this glass.
Yeah.
That's it. 1, 2, 3. Wow! So that's it.
Yeah.
Well, now let's
Put
the
wait.
heavy weights
Yeah.
at both sides and try to make sure that you have an equal distance at its sides.
Yeah.
Center.
So
Ah,
that
so-
no disgrace will happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now at the count of 3, let's lift it up. 1, 2, 3. Apex. So.
Go. Konta. Dili.
Wow.
Amazing.
There we go.
Yeah,
This is the result of the science
of
thermodynamics.
thermodynamics.
Wala. Dili.
And
Bugat.
that's all for today. Thank you.